Did you know that you can remove backgrounds from any image inside Canva? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to remove the backgrounds from your image in Canva. Now guys, what do you think about this picture? It's really cool, right? But let me tell you, it's two pictures. Now I'm going to show you step by step how I use the Canva background remover to create this amazing picture. Now let me add two blank pages here. And as you can see on the recent image, I have the picture, which is the background, and the lady. Let me grab the lady here onto this Canva here. And yeah, I will grab the background on this one. It doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to remove the background from this lady using the Canva background remover. So I'm going to click edit photo here, and under tools you see the BG remover. This is the Canva background remover. One click, boom, and look at that, the background has removed. And I'm going to copy this image onto my background, and let me position this lady a bit down so she's looking like she's crossing the street. Yeah, I think that's good, but the color is a bit off, so let me go on the filters and use something warm. Let's try this one. Wow, look at that. And guys, and that's how easy it is to use the Canva background remover to remove backgrounds from any image that you may have. Guys, if you find some value in this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, show some love and subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you guys next time.